Okay, let's look at practice exam 3, problem number 4. Right? So we're going to use the implicit differentiation to find dy over dx from this equation. Right? So let's do that. Right, before we take the derivative, I'm going to try to simplify the equation first. Right? So, right, 4xy, there's nothing we can do about that, so we have that. But when you have a natural log and there's a multiplication inside, so we can write it as natural log of x squared plus natural log of y, right? And then is equal to, right, 1 on the right? And better yet, we can actually put this 2 right in front, right? So we can put 2 here instead of 2 up here, right? So it's a little confusing, so I'm going to go ahead and erase it. So this is gone and placed right in front of the log. All right, so now we can take the derivative, right? Since we're looking for dy over dx, we need to take the derivative with respect to x, right? All right, let's take the derivative of 4xy, right? I'm going to take 4x as the first guy and y as the second guy, right? Derivative of the first is 4 times second y plus first guy 4x and then times the derivative of the second, which is dy over dx. Plus it's 2, so it's 2. And the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x, so we can write it as 2 over x. And the derivative of natural log of y is 1 over y, right? But we're taking a derivative with respect to x, so we have to multiply by dy over dx, right? Then derivative of 1, since it's a constant, it's 0, right? Then what we're going to do is I'm going to keep the terms with dy over dx in it, since we are looking for that. So this term I'll keep, and this term I'll keep, all right? So since these two guys have both dy over dx, I'm going to go ahead and factor it out. So it's factored it out, and this guy is factored out. Right, so I'm going to write it once, dy over dx, right? And what's left from those two terms would be 4x. So put 4x here, and also 1 over y. So plus 1 over y, right? Then what we're going to do is we're going to try to put the 4y on the other side. So it'll be negative 4y, right, by subtracting 4y from both sides, right? And we're going to put the 2 over x on the other side by subtracting 2 over x, right? So it's going to be minus 2 over x, right? The last step would be we can just get rid of 4x plus 1 over y by divide the whole equation through by that. So it's a 4x plus 1 over y. Right? Then we have dy over dx is by itself. So right hand side is negative 4y minus 2 over x. Then this is divided by 4x plus 1 over y. Right? So that's dy over dx that we are looking for. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.